Let's go to another major acquisition story. So at the moment, it's a time of acquisitions, you could say. Microsoft has announced that they are in the process of acquiring Activision Blizzard with all their IPs to add those to their Xbox and Xbox Game Pass library. Especially due to the latest situations at Blizzard with employee rights and sexual assault issues. This is not very surprising that there are changes coming up, but this is also, again, a major acquisition. As this article on The Verge is referencing, Microsoft is paying 68.7 billion US dollars for acquiring Activision Blizzard. And as I heard from other media outlets, discussions are rampant if this will be a good thing or a bad thing. So basically, for the diversity in the gaming industry, it's of course not that good, because you have a lot more consolidation of large publishers. And besides, Microsoft's current practices in the gaming space are pretty good, especially since they are also using Game Pass to support smaller studios for adding their titles to Game Pass in advance, so they have more funding for their games development. And so it's a mixed bag, really, this acquisition, because monopolies or large conglomerates in whatever industry are never a good thing on the long term. But it was to be expected that someone would take advantage of the situation at Activision Blizzard, that they're and basically acquire it at least price possible, due to the current news situation around the company. So let's hope that Microsoft has good influence through their company culture, which can also be pretty mixed. But as far as I heard, the gaming space seems to be pretty open, and people are treated a bit more fairly. If that is true, I don't know, because I don't know anyone working at Microsoft directly. So this is all hearsay at the moment from my side. But it would be nice to see situations for the employees at Activision Blizzard to improve, and Microsoft investing into the IPs that Activision Blizzard has to bring out great new titles. I think there was a news story broken this week that that Blizzard is working on a new survival game, and so a new IP. So I hope that these are positives, developments for those IPs, and that we will get some great games from Activision and from Blizzard out of that transaction. And the acquisition will be definitely going through a few years. I think they are planning to close this next year or the year after next year. I am not sure of the date right now, but it will definitely be a lengthy process because similar with the NVIDIA and ARM acquisition, the regulatory bodies have to approve the acquisition. And since Microsoft has acquired ZeniMax and with that Bethesda and ZeniMax Online, id Software, and so on, I think a year back, it will be definitely a point of contention with the regulatory bodies. But we will see how this plays out. I hope it will play out for the best, for the employees and for us as gamers and consumers, and that Microsoft will stick to the current pretty open strategy to their subsidiaries that they're acquiring, because they have all their own styles and not influencing those in a large degree, changing directions. So let's hope it stays that way, and there will not be another shift deteriorating those IPs to just do games that get you the most money, and you don't care about the history and the IP, which happened to some other franchises in the past few years.